Hi friends, in this video presenting all important days celebrated in the month of December. First December, World AIDS Day. This day helps raising awareness around the world to fight HIV. Second December, National Pollution Control Day. Pollution is a major problem that is facing the whole world. It is necessary to take some measures and combat. Second December, International Day for the Elimination of Slavery. The focus of this day is on eliminating contemporary forms of slavery. Third December, World Day of Handicapped. The aim of this day is to make people more aware of the rights, dignity, and welfare of disabled persons. Fourth December, Indian Navy Day. Navy Day is celebrated to recognize the achievements and role of the Indian Navy to the country. Fifth December, International Volunteer Day. Volunteer Day is an international observation mandated by the United Nations. Fifth December, World Soil Day. The aim of the day is to focus attention on the importance of healthy soil. Seventh December, Armed Forces Flag Day. The day is observed to honor the men in uniform who bravely fought to safeguard the country. Seventh December, International Civil Aviation Day. Day is annually observed to raise awareness of the importance of international civil aviation. Ninth December, International Anti-Corruption Day. Aim of this day is to raising awareness about corruption and preventing it. Tenth December, Human Rights Day. Adopted on 10th December 1948. 11th December, International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of mountains to life. Fourteenth December, National Energy Conservation Day. It is necessary to pay special attention to energy conservation or develop other resources for entire human civilization. 15th December, International Tea Day. The day is observed globally to improve the condition of tea producers and tea workers. 16th December, Vijay Diwas. Vijay Diwas is commemorated to Indian military's victory over Pakistan in Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. 18 December, Minorities Rights Day in India. Minorities Rights Day in India is celebrated to make people educated about the right of minorities. 19 December, Goa's Liberation Day. It is celebrated to mark the liberation of Goa from Portuguese control in 1961. (20 December), International Human Solidarity Day. The day is celebrated for words unity in diversity. (22nd December), National Mathematics Day. This day is celebrated to honor Srinivas Ramanuj. Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh had declared his birthday as National Mathematics Day in 2012. 23rd December, Kisan Divas. This day is observed to celebrate the birth anniversary of Chaudhry Charan Singh, the former Prime Minister of India, and to promote awareness about the contributions of the farmer to the country. 24th December, National Consumer Rights Day. It is observed to highlight the importance of the consumer and to make consumer more aware of their rights. 25th December, Christmas Day. It is an annual festival celebrated the birth of Jesus Christ. (25th December), Good Governance Day. The day is to mark the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and to create awareness about government's accountability. Thanks for watching.